Removing Microsoft's authenticating app is pretty simple. All you need to do is just follow the step-by-step guideline. First, you need to go to the Microsoft account security page. Here you can see your Microsoft account credential. If you're not, just log in simply. It's simple. After logging in, you can go to the account security options or additional security options. After security options, you can simply just turn off your authenticating app, passwordless or passwordless key. After disabling it or removing it, you can go to your Microsoft authenticating app. On the authenticator app, click on the Microsoft gear icon. Clicking on the gear icon gives you the settings, a lot of settings, but all you need to do is click on your remove account button. After removing your account from the authenticator app, you will be easily turn off your Microsoft authentication. For turning it completely off, all you need to do is just simply uninstall the app. However, I will never suggest you to do not do that, because Microsoft Authenticator app gives you a lot of security, multiple authentication system, which helps you to stay secure. And I'll see you in the next one.